All right, chow time. Let's dig in. Wait, is this all just air? Times are tough, but we can't let the kids starve. Whoa, why is there so much more air now? Help! I'm gonna explode! I'm so full!
Time to eat, sweetie.
Bro, are you hungry? You're so full you can't even talk. Must have eaten a lot. I'm not hungry! Stop giving me food!
Why is the kid losing appetite? Honey, he keeps hiccuping and won't eat. What's going on?
Might be aerophagia. It's not serious. Just feed him slower next time and give him a gentle massage. He'll be fine.